Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
Hey y'all, so welcome back to the vlog. We're at Target right now because we have to pick up some hygiene essentials. I also I just want to see what they have. So I have to pick up a prescription. That's something that has to happen, and just whatever hygiene essentials I find in here, like soaps and stuff. But I hate this Target because everything is locked up and I have to literally go inside and ring the bell and then they help you, which is annoying because I want to smell soaps and stuff and they just don't let you. I also have to pick up coffee. So this is just like a Target hygiene essential Vlogmas run and just to see what other stuff they have. So yeah, let's go. I have the hot cocoa swirl one, but they have other ones. The frosted plum is just okay.
doesn't matter if the snow